Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create an event in Outlook Calendar. So you're going to go to Outlook and then press Calendar down here, press Create New Event, then this will pop up and you type in name of it. You're allowed to add required people if you would like, which is an option, and you set the time. So it's if I want to put it for today from 4:30 to 5, and then I'll put does not repeat. I'm allowed to add a location, so it can be university. Lafayette, wherever, the mathematics department. I can have a notification before it's due, and then one thing that you're also able to do is attach a file, so I can upload any file that I would want, and so I can just do a document, and then it automatically puts it right there. And then after that, that's pretty much all. You've got the date, the time, a location, and then you can just press save, and then it has it saved for you. Now we're going to do the same thing using Google and Gmail. So I go to my Google and then I find the calendar and then I click on that. Wait for it to load. Perfect. So I use this pretty often, so I have a couple of things, but in order to create something, you go over here, press create event, then this comes up, type in the title, assignment due, you can set the time, set it to 4:30 just like the other one, to 5, and that it does not repeat. You're able to add guests if you would like. You can add a location, University of Louisiana at Lafayette. You can add a description, week 4 assignment, and then you can add an attachment by clicking below, add any document or file that you would like, and then you are allowed to save it. And then it is showing up right here. And that is how you add an event to a calendar on Google.